Built in 2008 at Darlington. This loco is a lost class. And we're having a race. And it's neck and neck. Sorry. And look at that thing going back and forth all the time. And there's the loco. Oh, it's reversing. Oh, it must be parking. Done. Right. Looks like it's just parking up, I guess.
Looks like it is. It's going the engine check.
Oh. I thought it was going to go off to the carriages.
I thought it was.
Yeah. What time is it now?
About 3.
Yeah, about 3 actually. Or maybe it's finishing his duty. Maybe it's having a break.
Might be.
This is only one thing I is.
Of course, I finished today. It's about 4, isn't it?
Yeah. Well, I'm finishing. Well, we might as well head back to the train station in a few minutes after we.
Got these 3 train stops.
Yeah. So do that, shall we?
Yeah.
And then when we've done that, we'll head for home.
Good shot here, but if you can get away, you'd be really happy.
Yeah. Oh no, he's in the. I need to get back tonight because you know why?
The programme starts at 6:30.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, I know the feeling.